Trinamool Congress MP Mahua Moitra has intensified her criticism of the BJP over an incident in Delhi's Chitranjan Park where some men allegedly tried to shut down shops in a fish market due to its proximity to a temple. Moitra shared a video on social media claiming the men involved were associated with the BJP. In the footage, two individuals are seen confronting shopkeepers, citing that selling fish near a temple offends Sanatani sentiments and asserting that killing of any kind is prohibited in Sanatan Dharma. Moitra questioned why the men had not been identified or arrested, calling the act a violation of constitutional rights. She compared the incident to a hypothetical situation involving a Muslim, suggesting there would have been immediate backlash. She criticized what she described as a growing pressure to conform to certain dietary and religious practices, questioning whether people would now be forced to eat only select vegetarian foods and chant religious slogans to live in the country. Referring to the neighborhood's Bengali roots, she said shopkeepers were being threatened in broad daylight, accusing the BJP of attempting to dictate what people eat and where they conduct their businesses. She labeled the BJP as anti-Hindu, anti-Muslim and anti-constitution and pointed out that even Hindu shopkeepers were facing intimidation. Delhi police said the men in the video had not yet been identified and no formal complaint had been received, though they were looking into the matter. The Delhi BJP distanced itself from the incident, with party president Virendra Sachdeva acknowledging that fish markets in Sia Park are legally allotted and necessary for the area. He emphasized that fish traders maintain cleanliness and actively participate in community events and said the video appeared to be manipulated by those with political motives. The BJP condemned the incident and urged the police to take appropriate action to maintain harmony in the locality.
Hello, this is Mahua Moitra, Member of Parliament, Krishnanagar. I think everybody has seen the horrifying visuals of the lumpen BJP goons threatening the Bengali shopkeepers of Chitranjan Park in the heart of Delhi. Chitranjan Park is a Bengali colony which is proudly Bengali. Bengalis are a proud fish-eating people. The Kali temple there and the temples there have been built by the community, and this particular temple has actually been built by the shopkeepers and the business community of Chitranjan Park. You can see how in broad daylight, with complete impunity and audacity, the BJP's goons are threatening shopkeepers and telling them that you cannot have a shop here. Is the BJP going to tell us what we are going to eat and where we can have legal shops? Is the BJP going to tell us that we have to eat dhoklas and say Jai Shri 3 times a day? We have always maintained that the BJP is not for Hindus. These are Hindu shopkeepers. The BJP is anti-Muslim, they are anti-Hindus, they are anti-constitution. Everybody can see the real colors of the BJP in this, and I hope that people stand up against this and see the real colors of the BJP. And you have some lame statement from the BJP saying, oh, we don't condone this. If you don't condone this, have those people been arrested? Have you arrested those people? I guarantee you, had one of them been a Muslim and had this happened, you would have put them behind jail on non-bailable UAPA charges. You have seen these people on video. Have any one of them been arrested?